Hello, scrappers. Small load brought in a few minutes ago. Posting on Facebook. A couple refrigerators, air conditioner. But you guys got some more stuff. I'll have to take my car hauler over there. He's got a motorcycle trailer, hold 2 motorcycles, but it's only got 1 tire and wheel on it. I'm not sure about tongue or not, but I might have another rim around here that'll fit it, and I can always advertise it as is. But looks like the compressor's about to fall out of that one. Got a little coil here, a little commercial job. So, and there's the window unit tossed in here. And then he threw a bike in here for now. Yeah, he's still got like a basketball goal over there. He's got a tilt over tower, supposed to have a birdhouse on top. Yeah, we got a little fan here too. We got a little copper motor on it, plus the power cord. So he's got, you know, quite a few odds and ends things over there. So it'll be another little load. Show you how I'm coming along here on the trailer. I still got a small pile of stuff here, the refrigerator door and whatnot. You know, plus like I said, I still got that bin right there full of stuff. But not a whole lot of space left on here. I still got a little bit of room in this freezer. Of course, this freezer, this lid is waterlogged. Still got, you know, all that room. So got that to go, but it's getting there. Let's see if I can throw something up on top of that piece of barbecue grill. I still got that other barbecue grill I need to throw up on top of here too and get it out of here. That one over there. I didn't get the 2 little freezers on there. I figure I'll get them on a different load. But basically those 2 refrigerators that are on the trailer, that's going to be the start of another load. By the time I get, you know, I'll probably take this bin over there first and throw it on there, and then throw as much off the other one as I can. That cart, I don't know. Thought about trying to cut them legs down, where cut that one section out where it'll drop down onto the other and throw it in there. Just, I don't know, conserve a little bit of space. I got a few bicycles there I can throw on too. So, plenty to throw on. I need to take these 2 little farm implements here, get some pictures of them and put them on Marketplace. Be good for making these hunters making their food plots. So, trying to get this cleared out, make some room here. I'm not sure what all I got on this other side. This bike here, I just want to keep the tires and wheels. Got a dishwasher there I need to part with, another air compressor, and then table saw, a little planer over there that can go in short iron. I need to straighten this up over here. There's not really that much here, it just needs to be straightened up. Got 3 barrels of wire here, 2 3/4, and then just a little bit of miscellaneous in here. You know, like I say, a couple barrels of aluminum, 1 starters off of riding mowers. Yeah, this hardware cloth, I probably need to just throw that down and burn it or something. But got a little trailer over here I need to cut up. Got a few things here to go through yet. Try to clear some space here. Anyway, not a whole lot going on. I'm going to try to get these refrigerators off of here and before dark. It's finally warming up nicely. It'll got a slight breeze, but not bad. Which I'm using the Sony camera, and it would pick up a lot of wind noise. Of course, got the boss out here checking things out. Debating whether to get some charcoal and try this little smoker out here, or just go ahead and put it online, sell it, you know, get it sold $50 or something. Anyway, I still got other stuff, a couple compressors over here I got to tear down, cut up. Yeah, pressure washer. Just not enough hours in the day. Yeah, especially now it's so cold. When I get up in the morning, I'll just sit there and drink coffee and we'll wait till about noon, 1 o'clock. We get out here and it warms up some. So I'm gonna get those off of here, and you know, hope you enjoyed the video. Not much, but a little update, and slowly getting there. I may have another thing going here with burn barrels. Found a place down in Duncan, which is about an hour drive. Guys got about 250 55-gallon barrels, and he said $1 a piece, or they take the whole lot of them for 150 bucks. So I may go down and get them and then try to see if I can't market them, which I was getting 15 a piece on burn barrels before COVID hit, 15 a piece and 2 for 25, and I was selling them pretty good. But now someone up in Newcastle has burn barrels for $10, so I might try them at 15, see if I sell them. If not, I may have to come down to 10. But if I die at $1 a piece, so that won't be too bad. But I don't know if I can afford to go $5 a piece like I was paying before. Okay, I'm not sure how much of that we lost, but I noticed the camera glitched and stopped recording. So anyway, get them barrels and make a little bit of money. But yeah, a little update here. Not a whole lot going on right now. Still trying to get that loaded, and moved a lot of stuff around yesterday. And got a little loaded on here yesterday. It was pretty cold yesterday, but a lot nicer today. Yeah, tomorrow I got to run the wife to the doctor again for labs early in the morning. Her potassium magnesium's been down, so run her in for labs, and then after that I got to run up and pick up my meds up in the city. When I get back from that, I'll call that guy on those barrels, and then I might spend the rest of the week going down there hauling them in, load them up, haul it in, unload it, go back, and it's basically an hour drive each way. So if I get out of here early enough, I can probably do 2 loads a day and probably have roughly 5 loads. So might get it done by Friday. Of course, I think Thursday they're talking maybe a chance of rain, so we'll see. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, this little update, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.